Let's go now to our data and economics editor, Ed Conway, who is at the Sky News Centre, where he's looking at the big picture in England and specifically what could happen at a general election.
Yeah, our team of psephologists, led by Michael Thrasher, have been looking through all of the data, over 4.5 million votes, 1,700 wards, about 87 councils, to work out what our projection would be if this were to be extrapolated onto a Westminster vote. So we can give you our Sky News projection of what these votes imply. And it is this: a hung Parliament with the Conservatives, the largest party in Parliament, if this was applied, extrapolated through to Westminster. Let me give you these numbers because they're very important. Conservatives with 278 seats, so the biggest, but not by much. Labour on 271 seats in Parliament. The SNP on 50. The Lib Dems on 28. That's kind of an improvement on before, but not quite as much as some might have expected. And then other with 23. And what does that mean? All importantly, have a look here. The Conservatives would be 48 seats short of that 326 target they'd need to have a majority in the House of Commons. So that is our projection, Sky News projection, of what these results that you're seeing at the moment imply if this were to be played out in a Westminster election. We're looking at the numbers compared with 2018, and here it is. Hung Parliament with the Conservatives, the largest party. That is our calculation of the projection from these results as they're coming through.